Hey guys, it's Sundown and welcome back to my channel. And what I have for us today is a Frank Garcia Studio haul. I hauled the candy cane collection and it says only pretty things always. True that. Frank Garcia is always putting out pretty things. I like his little sticker. Ooh, I wonder who wrote that. I want to show you guys what I got. And it just says, thank you, Sundown. I wonder if Frank signed that. That would be cool if he did. So I got these little candy cane lane confetti, and it comes with little Santas, little peppermint candies in red, and pink candies. These are so cute. So excited to have that. And then I got these flowers, because you got to have flowers on your projects. These were $5.99. It doesn't say back here how much those are, but those are pretty. And then I got the Say It in crystals. And next I got the puffy stickers. These are adorable. This collection is so cute. I love this little girl. I love this little baby right here. And the fa la 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 and the tree and the deer. I just love the whole thing. And these little banners right here. So cute. I can't wait to create with this. I'm gonna swap a Christmas swap. And it's a pink Christmas swap. And I love crafting pink and red together, so this was a perfect collection. Here's some chipboard stickers. Here's that little girl again, just so cute as she could be. Look at this little deer. Oh, and here's some more in the back. So cute. Has some little sentiments. And then we got the ephemera. I think one of the ephemera was out, so I had to get what I could. And here's the ephemera. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to take them out one by one because that'll take too long. Here is the 6x6 paper pad. I'll just do a quick little flip through for you guys, so you can see, so I can see. I haven't seen it either. Okay, we got stripes and then cut aparts, tags. How many pages do we get? Oh, they're different cut aparts. More cut aparts. So pretty. So that's the 6x6, and then we have the 8x8, 8x8, yeah. I wonder if I can just rip it. Okay, do a small flip through of this one as well. Okay, and then I got these little puffy stickers. These are adorable. These are good to use on embellishments. And then I got the charms because in the swap we gotta hang a charm or a dangle from our book. And so I got these. These are cute. And then I got the acetate sheet. I think I only got one. Why would I do that? I should have got more. And then here's the vellum sheet. And then I just got these ones. So pretty. And that is my Candy Cane Lane haul. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.